Hey, what's going on out there, everybody? Rooster here in Tennessee. Look at another one of these Galaxy 225s. It's been a while since we've done a video on one of these, and I bought a bunch of amps the other day, and this one was in there with them. Two MRF455s. I haven't had the lids off of it, but that's what somebody has wrote on the bottom of it over here on one of these fins. So I assume they're right, and also judging by the output power, I'd say that's exactly what is in here. Now, some of these came with 1446s, and they would do exactly 225, and then the ones with the MRF455s do considerably less. But still a nice amp, a nice small amp, if you're trying to get to that 150 watts, 160 watts, you know, between 150 and 200 watts. If you're trying to get to that mark, these are good ones. Low, medium, and high. Low, and then medium in the middle, high all the way to the right. It does have a preamp, which does function. I'll show you real quick. We're just going to key up our Cobra 90 dummy load to dummy load here. This is with no preamp. About 8 pounds. 8 S units, I should say. And there's with the preamp, over 9. So that works. We'll test this thing on peak for high, medium, and low. And then we will test it on the average, just on high. So, with that being said, driving it with our trusty Galaxy 44 single final radio, does around 35 watts, I believe. So, that's about the max I would put into this, honestly. Anything more than that, you're going to risk doing some damage to it. But a good single final radio is probably not going to hurt it, with my experience. Let's come over here to our watt meter. We've got a 500 watt slug. As you can see down here, we've got the peak kit turned on. Let's key this bad boy up on low. See what we got. Middle scale. Oh, let's turn the other radio off. Almost forgot. Hello, 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 hello. Now that is peak. The 10 is 100 watts. Looks like we're doing about 80 right there, and we're drawing off our power supply 4 to 5 amps there. Audio test 1, 2, 3. Audio test 1, 2, 3. Audio about 80 watts. Let's go to medium. Hello test 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 135, 140. And now we're going to go to high. Audio test 1, 2, 3. Audio test 1, 2, 3. Now that hash mark that we're going just a little past would be 150 watts. That's right in between 10 and 20, so that's between 100 and 200. Again, we're on the 500 watt slug. Audio test 1, 2, 3. Audio test 1, 2, 3. Audio. Drawing almost 9 amps out of it there. Now, this amp does have an automatic sideband delay. If you're catching that little bit of a delay when we unkey, you can see the light fade down. That's because it has an automatic sideband delay. Let's see. Let's turn our peak kit off. We're going to be on average power only now, and we are wide open on high. Same scale. Audio test 1, 2. That hash mark is 50. Audio, and we're going just past it, but realistically about 50 or 60 watts average. Audio or radio, audio or radio, audio or radio. That's it, guys. Not much to it. Galaxy 225. Some of these were called Palomar 225s. Maybe the Palomars had 1446s and the Galaxies had MRF455s. I'm not 100% sure, but they're basically the same amp on the inside. Nice working little box. Nice one to put in your mobile if you're wanting to keep it simple. And that's it. Questions, comments, complaints, shoot me a text. 423-299-3535, and we'll get back to you. It's going to be pretty reasonable on this amp. In my opinion, pretty reasonable. Definitely better than eBay prices by far. So, it's up for grabs, and if you're interested, shoot me a text. Hope to catch you guys out there. Conditions are picking up. More videos to come. Catch y'all later. Rooster in Tennessee. See you, bye.